Alright, what's going on, guys? It's Brian JZ300 back at it again with a new video, and this time we're at Valley Speedway.
Take it to the ground, take a first class, I don't give a fuck, never did, I'm a dark bag, I'ma live it up, cause I know where the worst at, I can't get enough of this bitch, I'm a true fan, I'm so hard, when they call me the man, life so drunk, so I'm kicking with the pole at, none so besides, cause you're asking where the food at, none so besides, cause you're asking where the food at, I got one chance, and that bitch is right now, I'm the last stand, shooting till
all these drivers. We got more over there, and we got over here, we got Corey from Clutch Kitchen himself catering for the event. We got our first driver going out. I'll put his Instagram down here. He's about to go shred. Man, I can't wait to get out there. So I just had the drivers meeting. We got Clutch Kitchen over here. I'll introduce you guys over there. And we got all the drivers already ready to go. Ready? So we got Clutch Kitchen over here. Thank you guys. I appreciate you guys coming out. We got some very bomb food.
That's it. Breakfast food is going on right here. It's
coming, it's going. I'm about to get one. It sounds and smells so good. And I know I got a lot of my friends already eating some. So next event, you know, we'll probably have them out again. If you guys want to come to the next event, we're gonna have some good food here. Thank you guys for coming out and helping us out here.
Thank you.
And let's have a sick day, guys. Look at that. We got Clutch Kitchen. Man, shouts out to them. This guy hit me up. Thank God he did. We got the boys here. My boy Chris D. We got my boy Monster. Andy S2K. We got my boy Lilo over here. And about to have a good event. We got sloppy pasta over there in the fucking wild. Dude. And then we got my boy Kyler with Steven's old eyes behind it with that one JZ. What's up, man? What's your name?
My name is Juan.
Juan?
Yeah.
Hey, bro. Thank you for coming out. It's cool. I'll put the clip right here. Wait to get out there. Look at that. He's already warming up his tires. He's sliding already. First one out. He's enjoying the day. Make sure you get your Clutch Kitchen burrito.
Oh, yeah.
All right, bro. Thank you for coming out. Hey, you gonna go out already? All right, man. Good luck.
I'm gonna just go warm up.
All right. Alrighty, I already went out a few times. I'm pretty sure you can see it in the Broke Boys vlog. I was drifting around in the skid pad. I almost burnt through my tires already. I'm letting my car cool down, and I'm gonna watch Joey slide. He's fucking going in right now. And then I'll go out to the track. Fucking savage. Damn, Joey hit it. Joey's gonna hit it too. Damn. Hey, you're going in, bro. Hey, how was it, Bobby?
He throws down pretty good. If you told me it was his first event, I wouldn't believe it.
Yeah, bro, that's fucking going in.
Bro, it's the setup.
It is the setup. The setup is sick.
I think I got one tire done already.
It sounds like it. Joey has the same setup as me. You guys might not even know what I have now because I didn't post anything. But we have shortened spindles, stock upper arms. We have a KFD angle kit, GS300 tie rods. So, yep.
Sand on the beach, I long way, take it to the ground, take it first class, I don't give a fuck, never did, I'm a dirt bag, I'ma live it up, cause I know where the worst at, I can't get enough of this bitch, I'm a true fan. I like good weed, smoke until I pass out, bitches love me, fuck until they tap out, only one way, walk it out like wrong ways, running up, smoking dope, it's on
changing out his tires. He's about to go in on his. You already went on your stocks and stuff?
I only went through 2 sets.
Oh, okay. Well, he's about to put those in. We're gonna try to get some laps together. Not necessarily tandem, but
Tandem.
all right, fuck it, we'll tandem. We got one JZ IS300 and 2 stock i300 with angle kits. KFD. 3-way tandem. Not tandem, but they're together. Joey did the same thing as me. He went with the universal cooler so that it cools down the power steering, because the IS300 or any 2JZ has power steering cooling issues. So he did that, and it's been handling pretty good, right? Chilling, bro. These cars, simple. All you need is angle kit, subframe bushings. Honestly, that's it. Fucking go in, and obviously manual transmission. And some sauce, and definitely some sauce. Straight sauce, bro. As far as my car goes, I'm still on the same set of tires from the morning. I think a couple more laps and she's done for. And then my front tires, they're getting hot sometimes. So you see, you know, they're getting a little wear on them, a little hot. So not too crazy. I still got those two, and these are the ones I'm going home with. And yeah, we're going in. Colin already swapped out his tires, burnt out those puppies there, and now he's going to finish up those, and then he has one more set and he's done for the day. So he's going in.
Yes, sir.
Gotta go reverse?
Huh?
Put it in reverse, Terry.
Yeah, reverse.
I'm going out too.
I'm
All right, I'm about to flag this guy down because I'm about to reverse the track for an hour. All right, so we just went in. We did reverse. I don't think we have any clips, but I just tandem with Colin. We had Joey behind us too, so it was a 3-man IS300 drift session. Fun as hell. This fool's ready to go. I got tire all on my face from Colin. I forgot to put my mask on when you were fucking ripping right in front of me. So I got some tire on my face, but yeah, so far so good. Once it's 3 o'clock, I don't have my fucking watch anymore. Once it's 3 o'clock, we're gonna switch back to normal, get a couple more laps, and then we're done out of the day. Alright, I am slumped. I'm tired. We just had a long day. This fool filmed a lot of clips, hella clips. So if I don't include that much here, they're gonna be in the Broke Boys. I'll put the link to his description down below. But a lot of seat time, a lot of improvements. I definitely learned this setup because the setup is brand new to me at this drift event. So it's very grippy. As far as feedback, it's very grippy. I have about -1.5 in the back. I used to have 4. So -1.5 from 4, fat difference. Very grippy, but I'm moving fast. I'm going forward more than I was before. I was gliding a lot before. So definitely like a learning curve. I did have to clutch a little more than usual, and I did have to use a lot of e-brakes. So I'm glad I fixed that last night because I would have been fucked last night. Yeah, other than that, I'm pretty much gonna call it here. I'm gonna, you know, it's still early. What time is it?
4, barely.
It's barely 4. The event ends in an hour. I'm the host, so I'm gonna wait until everybody's done, packs up and gets out, and then I'm gonna head out myself. I'm gonna go ahead and put my stock wheels on right now. So yeah, I'm gonna also go film Joey and them. I think they're gonna go out right now. So I'll film some clips of Joey and Colin sliding right now. So enjoy that. Bro, this SC sounds so good.
What do you think?
It sounds 1J, huh? Oh, you're filming them, not my friends. Full bumper somewhere on the track.
On the track?
I saw it. That looks sick. Hell yeah, baby! Damn. That was Tandem right there. It wasn't that close, but it was Tandem. Overspin. Small wheel gang. Look at that. Going in. And he's gapping Colin. Ooh, that transition. This one, Joey's on the same page. That's something. Clutch kick. Yes, sir. Oh, shit. They're getting. Bro, this SC sounds so good.
What do you think?
It sounds 1J, huh? Oh, you're filming them, not my friends. Full bumper somewhere on the track.
On the track?
I saw it. That looks sick. was Tandem right there. It wasn't that close, but it was Tandem. Overspin. Small wheel gang. Look at that. Joey's going in, he's gapping calling. Ooh, that transition. This fool Joey's on the same page. Now sometimes clutch kick. Yes, sir. Oh, shit. Are getting. We are officially home. Made it safe and sound. 0 casualties. Actually, scratch that. I did have a casualty. That and then somebody kicked up a rock. But we're good. Hell yeah. We're all set. Alright guys. I didn't get to close the video because I was having too much fun, and then also I'm the host, so I had to make sure that everybody left the track and everything, all the fire extinguishers are put away, all that stuff. Either way, I'm back home. I made it home in one piece. The car's in one piece. Luckily, I did drive it there. I shredded 6 tires, so that's 3 pairs throughout the day. It was super fun. Everybody had seat time. Everybody had fun. If you guys that went, if you didn't get any food from Corey from Clutch Kitchen, you guys missed out. Super bomb. For sure I'll have them at the next event, but if you guys didn't make it out, I'm gonna have another event next year. I don't know exactly when, but if I do, keep a lookout on my Instagram. It's BrianJZ300. It'll be in the description below. But yeah, I appreciate everybody that pulled up, and appreciate everybody's support, and I'm sure you guys enjoyed this drifting video, and I hope I can make more of them. Have a good night, have a good morning, whatever it is. Appreciate you guys watching. If you guys want to, keep watching more IS300 stuff and stuff like that, I also have Honda stuff from the past. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you guys like this video, hit the like button. It really helps out me and my channel. So if you guys have any questions, put them in the comments down below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.
That's reality, not role play. It's a cold world, Gucci on my coat bag. It's a cold